guys' mothers ever let you have cake for breakfast? Well, she actually asked for baked beans. So she's been eating, she ate like a whole bowl and a half of baked beans for breakfast. Your classmates are going to love you today. And Briz already ate some toast, 2 pieces. So I'm going to let her have a little piece. And Dee ate a little bit of banana and some baked beans. This is a crazy breakfast day. Huh?
Yes, it is.
You want a little piece of cake?
Yes, not a big piece of cake.
A big one?
Yes, with flowers on the top.
You guys are lucky.
What's the jacket?
I figure it's the same thing as a cinnamon roll, really. Or a donut. But they did eat something good first. Why are you whacking your cake? Dee asked to wear his Bombird shirt, even though they're jammies. I'm going to let him wear his jammy top to school. To preschool. He really, really wants to wear a Bombird shirt to school. Do you think your friends will like your Bombird shirt? You get your nose.
When someone bothers me, I'll bomb them. Like girls.
Like girls. Someone bothers you.
La 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 la.
Look at these geese and their baby goslings. I'm out of light. I'm supposed to be going, but look. How was preschool? Did you get your thumb out?
Good.
Yeah. What'd you guys do?
Yes, we just stuff.
You made stuff. You liked it when we hydroplaned? Whoa, that was a little bit of a hydroplane. Did you like that?
Yes.
You like it when the water gets squirted out?
Look.
Dee did this big D right here. It covers the whole chalkboard. You like D's the best?
Yes, I like big.
And you can do C's. You've been doing C's all over. Look at how many C's. Briz can write lots. D's just learning, but I think he likes a D. And D, actually, you drew a C just a second ago. Did you learn C today in preschool? I'll teach you if you don't know. He can do a L. Everybody can do a L. L.
I need more.
You want to do a C? Go like this.
No, I want to do a big line down and hey! I don't have much room.
Oh, you can erase it.
That's Band-Aid.
What was that? Oh, you're doing M's? Wow, that's a big D again.
That one has this.
You like drawing the huge D's? Briz, what is your favorite letter to draw?
I got it. A big E.
A big E? You're good at E's. You want to show us an E? That's really good because E's are kind of tricky. Oh, and there's a capital E. Really good.
And here comes Princess Emma.
Here, Cuckoo.
And I'm drawing.
Draw. I mean, it's draw on the chalkboard. Hey.
I'm going to put dots on you. I'll write
No,
some.
chalkboard. Oh, you drew Mom. M-O-M. Very good. I can't wait to go to your Mother's Day tea party this week.
And I can make a 9. Wants to get in the game. You want to see my 9? You want to see a perfect 9?
Go over a kiss.
Start at the top. Like this. Hug.
Oh, there's the 9. Oh, this chalkboard is awesome. I got it on Craigslist for pretty cheap. But it helps the kids when they're practicing their letters. Because who doesn't love to write on a chalkboard? I wish I had it when Boo was little. Briz is going out in the rain. Her nice little rain slicker on. You guys call it a rain jacket, raincoat, and rain slicker? What do you call it? Can you open it?
Open it.
Sure. Let's get your jacket on first. And there they go. They look like a ladybug and a bumblebee. And the ladybug and the bumblebee. She's got to do a visual on the dwarf planets. So she's telling me a little bit about the dwarf planets, and we can kind of make up a skit and videotape it for her class. So
Okay.
tell me about Eris.
Largest dwarf planet.
It's the largest of the dwarf planets. Okay.
What's this planet?
What about Cirrus? Cirrus? I'm gonna have to look these up. I don't know how to spell these.
And well, the spacecraft called Dawn was launched on September 2007, and it will reach here in February 2050.
Oh, so we have a space shuttle launch now to go see it?
Like a person's gonna go, or
Spacecraft.
that's okay.
So then, where are these dwarf planets found?
Cirrus is in the asteroid belt between, I think, Mars and Jupiter.
We'll have to look up some facts online, I think.
We can
That's pretty good though to remember those things.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good memory works.
Good job, Planeteer.
That's right. Planeteers.
We're the Planeteers.
Mommy!
You can be one too. Saving our planet is the thing to do. Looting and polluting is not the way. Do you remember that? Here
Yes.
with Captain Planet has to say, the power is yours.
Mommy, who takes my bread?
Quit taking her bread.
No.
If you
Taking
want
the
your
bread.
own, you
Bread,
can
bread,
just
bread.
ask me. They're eating buns for a snack because that's what they want.
Look, I got a
What you
rolled
got?
up bun.
You got a rolled up bun? All right. That looks good.
I dropped it.
He thinks that's so funny. The teacher's awesome. Did you put your feet up all the way? Wow, he's getting really good. In the world.
Go to your next station. Bacon. Dad, is the bacon done? Yes. Yay.
Where's all your sausage, Dee?
And it's orange jam.
Why did you do that?
Cause I like to.
You like them in there?
Mm-hmm.
Just don't spill your cup, bub. Where's all your sausage, Dee?
And it's orange jam.
Why did you do that?
Cause I like to.
You like them in there?
Mm-hmm.
Just don't spill your cup, bub.